You can go in?
Yeah.
At the left side.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Go, Luca.
To laser.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Oh, he hasn't done one yet.
Oh. So the shadow on him. Did you?
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Oh, there's one
He
gone.
stood on that one.
Oh, two.
That didn't see him stand on it.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Go the wrong way.
Nice one, Luca.
Objective met. Now go and hold your hand on the next yellow checkpoint.
That is very big laser there.
Go and hold your hand on the next one. Objective met. Now go and hold your hand on the red checkpoint.
Oh,
No, that was you.
that was it.
Go and hold your hand on the red checkpoint.
Go, Luca.
Whoa.
Oh, nice moves. Oh,
Go and hold your hand on the red
yay.
It hasn't stopped. Press it. Alright, 260.
Nice one, mate.
Alright, do single laser as well, please.
Very well. Go on.
That's
Go.
Go on, buddy. Stay
Go
at
and
the
hold
left
your
side.
hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Go, Sonny.
Cool.
Oh, no lasers.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint. Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Go, Sonny. No
I'll
lasers.
say that.
No lasers so far.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
How?
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Luca?
Go and hold your hand.
You've done that when I'm touching one laser.
Now go and hold your hand on the next
I
yellow
couldn't
checkpoint.
do it without touching any.
Go and hold your hand. Objective met. Now go and hold your hand on the red checkpoint.
Is he going to do it with no lasers?
Go and hold your
No,
hand.
Oh, there's one.
60.
Sorry.
Go and hold your hand on the.
One laser.
One laser, that's the record.
Oh,
Thank you, guys.
210.
Hmm?
Can I touch 3 lasers?
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
You can't. I mean, that the
Go
shoes
and
off
hold your hand on the
technically.
yellow
Serious.
checkpoint.
Took his flip flops off. Oh, that was your bum.
How do I do
Go and
that?
hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
I pulled under that.
Go and hold your hand on the yellow checkpoint.
Oh, oh, it fell apart. Oh,
Objective
took
met.
the head off that
Now
one.
go and hold your hand on the next
That's
yellow
really
checkpoint.
amazing news.
Objective met.
One
Now
again,
go and
that's
hold your hand
22
on the red
seconds.
checkpoint.
You just walk through them.
Go and hold your hand on the red checkpoint.
Oh. Just go! Jump through! That's you. Me!
Go and hold your hand.
Nice, Luca.
I'm good at it.